Hello everyone, and yeah, the title is correct, kinda, but let me explain first. So, I actually am a bit stressed to make this video, but I am quitting Blender in a way. So you might be asking, what does it mean for the whole channel? Because like the whole personality of mine was to show you how to make almost everything connected to dinosaurs in Blender in 3D. And now it's changing a bit. So I'll be switching to ZBrush. From what you've seen, I've been trying to incorporate ZBrush a bit more in one of my latest videos, also on my Instagram, which you should check out. I've been getting a bit more active there. And yeah, basically I'll be doing close to all of the sculpting in ZBrush because I mean I've been learning this software for around a month now, and I've been loving it so far. The sculpting feels more responsive, more satisfying. There are better functions. Because let me explain this. Blender is close to my heart. I've done the donut tutorial like a couple of times a few years ago, and I know it pretty well, except maybe the geometry nodes. But Blender is like a Swiss knife. It has many options. It's a pretty damn good Swiss knife. It allows you to do texturing, maybe not so well. It allows you to do rigging, animation, sculpting, as from what you've seen all of my videos. Um, but ZBrush, it hyper specializes in sculpting, so it's gonna be better in that. And I feel like it just like a level up for me. All of the people that I look up to are using ZBrush, so I don't know. I've seen very few people that were able to achieve the result in terms of sculpting purely inside of Blender. Um, so what to expect in terms of content? I would say more ZBrush, but it doesn't mean that if you're a Blender user, you cannot use my content as a some type of resource. Sculpting is sculpting. The tools are pretty similar. I can say that with confidence. There are a few changes, but they're relatively the same. Like maybe doing the details is gonna be a little bit different. There are some different aspects, but that's pretty much it. All the rigging for now, and maybe animation in the future will be done in Blender unless something changes. I cannot say for sure. I cannot promise that everything will revolve around Blender. But yeah, that's pretty much it. What I've been meaning to say. Um, yeah. So tell me what you think, I guess. But that's what I will do for now and on. So I just wanted to clarify that. I just want to avoid any confusion. If that's something that you were like a fanboy of Blender and you hate ZBrush, you're free to unsubscribe and just say whatever you want. I always read the comments, even the mean ones, although they're really rare. So I feel proud of the community that we have created. um, Also check out Discord. There's a ongoing weekly challenge that you can win some of my secret DMs that are not out to the public yet. So check that out, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.